a copper wire has a diameter of 0.5 millimeter. Remember, this is diameter. And the resistivity is this. What will be the length of this wire to make it a resistance of 10 ohm? How much the resistance changes if the diameter is doubled? Okay. First part you guys can try it. Even the second part we have done it before. But yes, I would like you guys to try the first part. It's not that difficult. The calculation is weird, I'll agree. But at least the substitution and the written part you guys do it. So that again, you gain confidence or clarity in your thinking. So first is try to draw or write the given. So we have a wire whose length we are not aware of. We are aware of the diameter. So the radius is half of that. Again, we need to convert this from millimeter to meters. The resistivity and everything is known. Resistance is also known. So quite a few things are known. So I'll write given. First thing first, let's find the radius in meters. So d by 2, so 0.5 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. So a bit of this and that. So I'll shift one decimal place. So this will gain a 0, so many meters. Next is your resistance, which is 10 ohm. And then we have the resistivity. 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter, which is 16 into 10 to the power of minus 9 ohm meter. Right, so this is your all the things given part. Now it's a matter of substituting in your formula, that's all. R is equal to rho L by A. So this is 10 is equal to rho is 16 into 10 to the power of minus 9 into length is, we need to find the length, divided by area of the cross section of the wire, which is pi r square. So let me actually, quite a few of you will get confused with this kind of working. So let me show you one more way. See, we need to find length, right? Let us transpose all of it. So we have this. So length is equal to resistance, which is 10. Area of cross section, that is pi r square. So pi into r is, okay, let me write pi itself. R is 5 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into 5 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. This is getting divided with resistivity, which is 16. I don't have space, into 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay. Right. So let us rearrange a bit. So we have 10. See, nothing is getting cancelled with 7. So we need to take this value of pi as 3.14. So all that we need to be smart about. 5 by 2 into 3.14 into, this will be 10 to the power of minus 4 plus of minus 4 into 1 by 16 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So let's see what gets cancelled. Pretty much nothing actually, other than 1s are 5s are. Then that's it. So 5 into 5 into 5 is 125 into 3.14 divided by 2 into 16, 32 into 10 to the power of minus 8, and because of this minus of minus 9. So this is 125 divided by 32 into 3.14 into 10 to the power of 1. So this is 3.14 into 10 is 31.4. So clearly we need to divide this, but we can do one thing. We can write approximately, this is 1s. right? 31.4 divided by 32. Obviously, it's not 1, it's 0.9 something. But yeah, we can approximate it to 1. So answer is 125 meters. Okay, to save time and to get an approximate answer, this is the best way to go about. Again, this is a division which is not to be concerned about. Again, that multiplication is not to be concerned about. It's too much. So don't bother. Don't waste your time. Okay, so this is your answer. How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? Now, so what they're telling is, if the resistance of the old one is say rho L by A, right, wherein you have area of cross section to be pi r square. If we happen to have a case, right, wherein the resistance is doubled, not resistance, sorry, diameter is doubled, so the radius will be doubled. This implies the radius will be double too. So R nu is equal to rho L by pi 2R the whole square. So this will be rho L by 4 pi R square. So try to rearrange this 1/4 of rho L by pi R square. This is say equation 1. Can you compare equation 1 with this? This part is nothing but your R old, is it not? So this is 1/4 of the old resistance, that's all. Right? So the new resistance is reduced by a factor of 4. So this implies the new resistance is 1/4 the old resistance. And this is your answer. Okay. Don't be scared about approximating. Don't waste your time. This is not a multiplication you want to do. And then the complicated multiplication as well. Division and multiplication are going to be a bit lengthy. 125, even if I go with 254,000, okay. Again, that will be too complicated. Can do it, but yeah, it's something which will be a bit too lengthy. So yes, this is an approximate answer. You can go with, not an issue.